Hi trader, this is Elite Currency with another overview of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, and others to take a look at what is going on with regard to the retracement and when could it perhaps stop. I think this video is going to be a bit on the shorter side because the retracements are just carrying on and waiting for price to show kind of a signal that a bounce could happen. I think price is now breaking below the minus 272 target, as you can see. So more follow through to 5,500 would not be strange from this point of view. And I think that the downtrend is ready to continue. Basically, we had a little bit of a bullish bounce here, this bullish candle at the minus 272 target. But so far, that has really not seen any follow through. And I think that that would not see any follow through unless price breaks above this resistance trend line. Even then, there's a lot of resistance up in here. It doesn't seem that appealing to trade to the upside, even if that happens. I think for any bullish bounce to happen, price needs to probably get down lower, in fact, 5,500, or break, basically make a weakness, a lower high, and then break another time, a second attempt, in fact, to break above this resistance trend line before a bigger bullish push and uptrend becomes likely. So I think there is still a lot of resistance above and ahead of it, and it would really need to break a second time before an uptrend is even likely. So Bitcoin definitely in a very bearish sentiment at this moment. And will 5,500 be the turning spot that could send price up? Maybe. It definitely could. It's a strong level, but with such a bearish psychology at this moment, we really don't know. We have to wait for these candles, I think, to play out, and on the daily chart, we have to see some bullish candles before that could happen. So we might skip the next update if there's really no change in this bearish sentiment, because at this moment, the analysis is pretty much the same as last week. So we might wait a week before, to get new info about what's going on, about whether the candles are indicating any potential bounce or not, and we'll give an update when that happens. A trader did ask us about other cryptocurrencies. So yes, we can take a look at those, and definitely feel free to mention cryptos that you might find interesting. We just took a look at some of them. Now at this moment, however, the sentiment is just following Bitcoin. So for instance, here we have Monero, and it is basically in a bearish momentum, right? We see a break below the Keltner channel, and it's been following through ever since. So here too, waiting for price to find support and make a bounce, and it's going to need to make a decent rally, basically like this. Let me show you correction and break before I would be interested in trading any of these. For the moment, definitely resistance above and bearish momentum. And the same is for many of these, in fact. As you can see here, this is IOTA, and the same thing basically, looking so similar, doesn't it? And all basically making retracements here, pretty strong retracements, all breaking below Keltner channel, all in the bearish momentum. And I think that there could be support maybe around level 1, maybe here at 150. Between 1 and 150 could be a bit of a support zone, but will price be able to break basically above resistance levels like this? That remains to be seen with such a bearish momentum. And the same thing is valid for Dash, as you can see. So we're going to probably be back next week, not later this week, with such a bearish momentum on its route, but support probably close by. I don't think there's any new updates to be mentioned at this moment. I will keep an eye on it though, and as bullish candles perhaps appear at support zones, we will make the next update and provide our view whether there is indeed a reversal perhaps taking place, when could there be a next breakout to the down or upside, etc. All right. For tomorrow, of course, we'll be taking a look at the euro dollar and pound dollar again. So that always keeps up moving up and down. So make sure to check out that video tomorrow on Tuesday. That's it for this video. Check out elitecurrency.com for more free analysis and material. ECS.start package on the main page. At about halfway in the overview, you will see ECS.start package. and wish you all good trading. Cheers.